Hey, this is Jason Moss with Georgia Manufacturing Alliance. And today I'm going to share with you the top 5 reasons that you need to attend the Georgia Manufacturing Summit on October the 9th at Cobb Galleria. Number 5, we've got an awards program. Our People of Manufacturing celebrates not the companies or the products, but the people that make manufacturing great in Georgia. Number 4, we've got over 60 exhibitors that will be participating in the summit this year. It'll give you the opportunity to potentially find some new suppliers and new technologies that could be beneficial to your manufacturing operation. Number 3, our educational sessions are phenomenal. We've got industry leaders from all across the state in every aspect. Every division and department in a manufacturing facility will benefit from attending the summit because of the education that we'll be providing. Number 2, our keynote speakers. We have Warner Washington in the morning. He's a 35-year veteran from Procter & Gamble. He'll be sharing his insights on manufacturing and building a successful career in this space. And then Stuart Countess. He is the Chief Operating Officer for Kia Motors Manufacturing Georgia. He'll be sharing some of the insights about what's going on at Kia and some of the successes that we're seeing in manufacturing and automotive. And then number 1 for you is networking. This gives you the opportunity to connect with other industry professionals throughout the state and build your peer group. It's a great opportunity for that. Right now, general admission tickets are $125. That's the pre-registration price, or early registration, and that goes through October the 10th. So it's $125 for an individual ticket, but we just rolled out a Bring a Friend promotion where it allows you to bring somebody with you for $150, gets you 2 general admission tickets. And that's a great opportunity. It covers all of the education, plus breakfast and lunch throughout the day. These are some of the educational sessions that we've got: trends to track in supply chain, manufacturing a better bottom line, international issues for manufacturing, developing a winning workforce for Georgia. Everybody's talking about workforce, and this is a pretty hot area that we're going to be going over. Operational excellence, and we just added a session for safety as well, so we're going to be putting that in. But again, the discounts for early registration ends October the 3rd. On Thursday, midnight, the tickets go from $125 to $200 for general admission tickets. So now's the time to make sure that you get registered and bring a friend with you. Registration's real easy. Go to GeorgiaManufacturingSummit.com. One question that we get often is, do you have to be a member of GMA to attend? No, this is open to anybody in the manufacturing space. So we're really excited about the summit, and we hope that you're going to be able to join us for the summit. So go online, get registered today at GeorgiaManufacturingSummit.com. We'll see you at the summit.